Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are not just trying, we are cooking art. Meet this little Kwai Burger. It's not from a restaurant, it's my sketchbook kitchen. It's from my sketchbook kitchen. This burger has soft buns, cheesy smile, happy veggies and lots of cute expressions. So grab your sketch colors, relax your hands, and let's turn simple lines into a cute, funny, yummy looking Kwai burger. Ready? Let's start drawing and fun together. So guys, here for you a tiny story. This Kwai burger always dreamed of becoming famous. One day it said, if people can smile after seeing me, then I'm the happiest burger in the world. So today we are helping this burger to shine with colors and spread smiles everywhere. Hmm? And so guys, our cute and tasty burger, Kwai burger is almost complete. Yes, so colorful, so beautiful, so yummy and cheesy as well. If you like this cute burger drawing, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, see ya in the next video. Bye bye.